4x4, check.
I'm just going to grab a beer, Max, but I will be back. Hey, Max, unfortunate thing about this radio room, I haven't left enough room to put a beer fridge in here. Silly me. Hey, Mad Max, next time I design a radio room, I'll make a little bit bigger so I don't have to go to the fridge there, break.
Roger that.
Hello, D9. Hello, D9. GMO 329 waving.
Cooler in the side over here. Smoke in the wind on this side. Hello.
I'll be back soon, won't be long. It's not that far, but it's just a long trip. Mad Max, you know who? Taking numbers, taking turns. Trying to be an operator in the gateway. I don't know. I'm back out.
Check. GMO. Garden Island out here. 329 waving. D9. Aloha.
There's probably a little bit too much bass there, man. A little bit crunchy. It's beefy, but probably a little bit too much crunch there, Blake.
Hello, D9. GMO 329. Garden Island waving. Aloha.
I'll let you work. You probably got a loop somewhere, but you'll work it out there, Max. Even a bit of fine tuning. And, I ain't no radio chick advisor, but you'll work it out. Hey, Max, just remember, just shake off the squeal. But then you'll sound how I like to sound, but Hey, Max, you'll work it out.
Hey, D9, you got a copy on this? GMO 329 out here on the garden waving. Aloha.
Yeah, GMO, I gotcha. I've been trying to get this beer for the last 10 minutes, so I'm going to quickly run away. I'll be back. GMO, Mad Max is just getting your audio sortioed out, and all the good times going around the garden. I'm out of here, but I will be back. And when I make this sound, I'm excited.
Aloha, D9. GMO waving. Enjoy that beer.
59. Now the big boys out in the big island, the garden island waving there. D9. 15 with a sugar wave. Big island girl.
Randy Orland dropped out of Randy Orland. Cheers to farm, mate. You lost track. Oh, get down.
Fire. Church. 15 with a sugar wave.
Very good. Next, you'll have to wear that being said, right?